The Lycoming Engines factory has built engines that pilots trust with their lives. Today, that trust goes even further. With our new Time Between Overhaul extension, even more engine models now reach 2,600 hours between overhauls, the new Lycoming standard. Engine owners can now spend more time in the air and less time counting down to their next overhaul. Most factory new and rebuilt engine models built with 100% genuine Lycoming Engines parts qualify for the new extension. Visit www.lycoming.com/2600 to learn more.